name's Holly Gotfredson. I'm the president of American Metalcraft and vice president of Finishing Dynamics. We offer engineered metal products, and we engineer, fabricate, and finish all in one location. We started working with GMA back in 2016. We became members, and we had heard about GMA through WIM, Women in Manufacturing. And I just recently became more involved, and I really enjoy the plant tours. Every time I go to a plant tour, I'm touring a different manufacturing facility. There's always something I learned that I can use with my own company. Even though we're maybe in different sectors of manufacturing, there's always something that makes me think, oh, I really want to look at doing that differently, or maybe I can incorporate this into our own organization. So that's just been a huge help. Networking with other professionals, other manufacturers has helped me grow as an individual, as well as helped me improve our company. I highly recommend Georgia Manufacturing Alliance, the rising tide that lifts all ships and an ally for manufacturers everywhere.